Your smart glasses, Don.
I know.
You're
Welcome
looking
back
smart
to
for
the
this
channel.
experiment.
Evan is
Howdy.
here today. We're going to do a sound test.
Oh yeah. Got the watch.
We got the
Apple Watch with
Apple
the decimal
Watch
tester.
with the decimal tester. So hang on, stay tuned. Okay, firing up. The bike's cold. Helps if I go the right direction. Okay, we turn the radio down. We
We don't need no radio interference here, Don.
Okay, here we go. Cold start.
Let's start. I think you can do more than this, John. Dangerous Don and his terrible YouTube channel. Hopefully we get a couple more than 3 subscribers this month. We're gonna test out the sound decibels of this big Harley hog. Fire it up, Don. Cold start. Oh! 108. Oh yeah, Don. Oh! More time. Yes, yes. Yeah! 110. 110. Not bad. Not bad.
Big thanks for Evan for sound testing my Harley with the Tab Performance 2-in-2 pipe and the 50 cals with the zombie baffles. Ride safe. Peace.